Here I have POCO C50, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Portable Hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Hotspot. So by tapping on it once, you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, here you can set up your hotspot, like you can change its name, you can change its password, you can change its security protocol, you can hide its SSID, you can share QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot, you can set up one-time data limit, you can turn off your hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. You can use it for USB tethering, you can use it for Bluetooth tethering, you can share via Ethernet cable, and you can also manage connected devices, like you can set up limit of connected devices, and you can also add devices to block list. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.